Welcome everybody to Costa Rica. So what's so cool is so many people have been asking how to make this cacao stuff that we make. And what's so neat about cacao is it is the biggest heart opener. And I'm just gonna hold a mug because this is like what activates the heart. But it's the biggest heart opener. It has so many antioxidants and nutrients to get your blood flowing in and out from your body, your heart to your brain and connect all of it. And it has so many healing properties. So what's neat is I'm gonna actually show you how to make it. And you can do this in the mornings, you can do this at night, you can do this as just like that ritual to get back into your heart or before you go to bed or your intention for the day or even a retreat. I mean, you can do it however you want. So what's so neat is we actually got this cacao from Costa Rica itself. So just the bean itself, this one is the powder. And you can actually use the powder or you can have the whole entire thing that has the cacao butter in it as well. So I'll show you, I actually am gonna use coconut oil today because the butter is actually what keeps all the nutrients and flowing through your body. So today, but what we're gonna do is I already put a little bit of water in here and I put it on the stove, you put it in a pot, and then you can do to, however many people, it depends on how many servings you want. Usually it's maybe about a tablespoon to 2 per person with probably twice the amount of liquid. But what I'm gonna do is I'm actually just gonna dump this whole thing in there because there's 3 of us here. So what you'll do is you'll just dump, you'll pour. We don't have that much, oh wait, I'll probably do like half of what we have in here. So we will see. And you can make it as thick as you want or not as thick as you want. And then what I'll do is I'll put in almond milk. So I love almond milk. You can use a coconut milk if you want to. Sometimes I'll add in a coconut milk that, or a coconut cream. Sometimes the coconut cream is so good because it actually thickens it up. But I'll just put this in there. And it's already on medium right now. So then you'll just go through and kind of mix. So good. And then what we are gonna do as well is this stuff is super cool. We found this here in Costa Rica. It's called the Maya nut, and I'm not saying this is what you need to use. This is just something we're adding just because we have it here. And but it's very healing, has a lot of properties. It's also called the bread nut. And so it's really rich in fiber and antioxidants and iron and vitamin A, B, D, all of those things. And it has no, what do you call it? It has no caffeine. So you can do this before bed, however you want. We're gonna sprinkle a little bit in there. I know it's gonna be just so earthy and activating. And stir a little bit up. Oh, it smells so good. So that's what you want to do is make sure to actually enjoy the process of smelling it. Then what we'll do is we're going to put, since we're out here in Costa Rica and we had the powder, we're going to use a little bit of, oh, good thing I don't even need a spoon. It's already so melted because of the heat. So we're just going to add maybe that much. And that's like probably the equivalent of 4 tablespoons. But this is enough for, honestly, probably 6 people that I have in here because I'm saving some for tomorrow for us. So then what we'll do is we're gonna do honey. And what's so cool about, this is local Costa Rican honey. What's so cool about it is when you put it in, so I just kind of like to do this. This is probably the equivalent of 3 tablespoons or so, but I do it to taste. So I'm just gonna do this. And then you're gonna do it to taste. Some people like it pretty sweet, and you can use honey, you can use maple syrup, you can use monk fruit, totally up to you. I would not recommend white sugar, anything that's refined. And so I will taste it in a little while. But again, why we're using honey and local honey is because it is so good with antioxidants, and also if you are prone to the seasons and allergies, then it actually helps with that. So wherever you are, it helps with the natural allergies and supports your immune system, and that's what's amazing about it. And then we have a little bit of ground nutmeg. That's just a bit for flavoring. So just a tad, because sometimes it can be strong. Just a little pinch there. And then we're gonna go for a pinch of cinnamon. So however much you actually want to put, maybe I'm putting 3 pinches in there. So go ahead and do that. And then I'm gonna go back and just mix and stir. While you're doing it, make sure to continue to smell it. Again, like I said, if you want it thicker, then you could keep it on here a bit longer and watch it and just add more of the milk or of your almond milk, or if you have coconut milk or coconut cream, you can do that. And it's not quite finished. I'm just gonna do a little bit of a taste just to see where it's at. Well, what I noticed is the nut that we used here is a bit crunchy. So I probably won't add that next time. Just so you guys know, do not add the nut. Otherwise it tastes good. We're gonna add a little more honey because, woo, that was great. Now we know. So a little more honey. What's so good is you can experiment. This is my first time experimenting with that nut. It does give it a little bit of a nuttier flavor though, but don't worry about it. So let's see what that tastes like. I do need to add a little bit more of this cacao powder. Good thing is we can always get more. And like I said, this is how I do it to taste. I'm showing you from experience, and you will learn what you actually like the more that you do it. I personally like it a bit thicker. So, but this is what you do. Mix it all in, and it's on low heat. Tastes a little bit better. You can need a little bit more of this. And then mix, mix, mix. And then what we'll do is we are just gonna add it. If you have a bigger spoon, you can do that. Or you can pour over a sink if you'd like to do that. But this is perfect. And then you wanna make sure to be able to breathe. It feels so good. Let it sink in. You'll set your intention. Envision your heart, your blood flow, everything. What is your intention? Inhale and breathe in. Envision that intention going into the cacao, because when you drink, it is going to go into your body and then exuberate and go out into the world. Anyway, I hope you enjoyed it. I can't wait to hear how you do and what comes up for you and how you like it. So, welcome to the cacao ceremony.